Welcome to this series of videos on surface productivity tools for AutoCAD Civil 3D. In this video, we'll cover the Surface Statistics Label command. Have you ever had the need to label surface statistics on a drawing? I'm talking about when you go to Surfaces and you go to the Statistics tab and you expand General, and maybe you want the min and max coordinates or the min and max elevation, or you want some extended information like 2D and 3D surface area, grades, or if it's a volume surface, you want the cut and fill, or a grid surface, the number of grids in the surface, or any of this information that shows up on the Statistics tab for any type of Civil 3D surface. If you want to place a label on your drawing, you have to come in here and try to copy out this information and place it into a label yourself. It's a bit difficult. So this command, Statistics Label, gives you the ability to perform that action. So we'll run the statistics command, we select our surface, and then based on the surface type, you're going to get a number of checkboxes that give you the options of what you want to label. Anything that's in the statistics. So if it's a volume surface, what's here would look different. You would have cut and fill and things like that. But basically you compose your label how you want it to look. So do you want the surface name, the current style? Do you want 2D and 3D surface area, the mean and max grade, and maybe the mean grade slope? So maybe that's what you want for your label. We can report it in all caps, and then what layer do you want the label to go on? I'm just going to pick 0. What label style? This is looking at your M-text label styles and your label text height. Then you create the label, place it. Now perhaps you have a layout tab already set up with your view and you want to place this in paper space. We can run Surface Statistics Label, and I'm going to right click to select my surface from paper space, and I get the same dialog. There's also select all and deselect all options up here to just run through and select the check boxes for you. Let's go ahead and build a label, and perhaps we want to place it in a multi-liter this time. Again, it's going to look at your multi-liter styles, what layer, what kind of caps do you want, and then it's going to ask you to place that liter landing location, and it's going to go ahead and place that label in there for you. And lastly, there was a table option. So if you want to list this out into a table, you can do that as well. Again, you'd have to have a style set in your drawing for this. Do you want it as lines, each line as a row, or each line as a column? And you can go ahead and place your table in here. It came in kind of large, but your style would control those settings.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.